Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, there was a young girl named Emma. Emma loved to read, but she struggled with English. She had always found it difficult to remember words, phrases, and the complicated grammar rules that came with learning the language. Every time she tried to study, she felt overwhelmed and frustrated. One day, while walking through the market, Emma stumbled upon an old, dusty bookstore she had never noticed before. Inside, the air was filled with the smell of ancient books and mystery. As she wandered through the aisles, a small, glowing notebook caught her eye. It was unlike any notebook she had ever seen. The cover shimmered with strange symbols, and it seemed to call to her. Curious, Emma picked it up, and as soon as she opened the first page, a voice whispered from the pages, "Welcome, Emma. This is the magic notebook, and I will help you learn English the easy way." Emma blinked in surprise, looking around to see if anyone else was there. But the bookstore was empty, and the voice continued, "To learn English with ease, you must follow 3 simple steps. The first is listen." At that moment, the notebook began to glow brighter, and Emma heard soft music and voices in English, people speaking in everyday situations, like ordering food at a restaurant or asking for directions. Emma listened carefully, her mind soaking in the rhythm of the language, the intonation, and the flow of the words. It felt natural, almost like hearing her favorite song. The voice continued, "Step 2 is speak." The notebook flipped open to a page with simple conversations. Emma was hesitant at first, but she bravely began reading aloud. To her surprise, her voice echoed back to her, as if the notebook was speaking with her. The more she practiced, the more confident she became, and she realized she wasn't just speaking English. She was having fun with it. Now, for the final step, the voice said, "Write." On the next page, there were lines with blank spaces for Emma to fill in. She began writing short sentences, starting with simple ideas like, "I like cats," and "I go to school." Each time she filled in the blanks, the notebook would gently correct her mistakes, offering suggestions and praise. Emma noticed that she was making progress, and the sentences became more complex as she went along. Weeks passed, and Emma practiced every day with the magic notebook. She listened, spoke, and wrote until she could speak English fluently. The villagers were amazed at her transformation. They had never seen anyone learn so quickly or speak so confidently. Emma soon became known as the girl who could teach others the easy way to learn English, and she shared the lessons she had learned from the notebook with her friends. One day, as Emma was finishing her lessons, the notebook's pages began to fade, and the voice softly whispered, "You have learned well, Emma. Now you are ready to teach others. Remember, English is not about memorizing rules, but about enjoying the journey." From that day on, Emma shared her secret with everyone in the village. She taught them the 3 steps: listen, speak, and write. And so, the village became known far and wide as a place where learning English was not hard, but an exciting adventure. And Emma? She never forgot the magic of the notebook and the lesson. It had taught her that learning a language is easy when you approach it with joy, practice, and a little bit of magic.